had a dream where I was eating pumpkin pie with Godzilla. So this recipe is from the 1950s and it says no cooking, a magic filling with jello instant pudding and new dream whip. Let's make some pumpkin dream pie. First thing you're going to need is one package of dream whip, half a cup of cold milk and a half a teaspoon of vanilla. That is very good. One packet of dream whip. I just got my ass whipped. Half a cup of milk. Wooshoo! I heard vanilla comes from beaver's anus. Alright, then you're going to whip it. I'm a little bit confused. It says to whip it for 4 minutes until the topping thickens and forms soft peaks. But in this instructions it says to whip it for 1 minute. So which one's going to get the longer whip ass? Oh! It'll make a mess. Maybe I should have used a smaller bowl or something like that because this thing is making a big mess everywhere. Oh, I need to go shopping. I never have the right tools to do the right job. I don't know if you can see that, but that looks like a whip topping to me. Clean up on aisle 5, clean up on aisle 5. Now, once the dream whip is finished, you want to add one package of Jell-O vanilla pudding. Alright, so let's add the one package of the Jello pudding. Jello pudding pops. Jello pudding pops. One packet. Combined with 1 cup of the dream whip you made earlier. I had a dream that this was going to come out good, but it ended up turning into a nightmare. I was chased by pumpkins with sharp teeth. 2/3 cups of milk. 1 can of pure pumpkin. Hey pumpkin. Hey pumpkin, how are you? And some pumpkin spice. Doesn't tell me how much pumpkin spice, so I'm just going, oh, the spicier the better. You know what I'm saying? Is pumpkin spice hard to be weird and kind of? That is a very shitty spice. Now you want to take the mixture and beat it slowly for about 1 minute. Oh wow, it is smelling good. It smells like a pumpkin. Alright, that looks pretty blended. We are going to take this mixture and put it into a 9-inch graham ready crust. Awesome! Wow! Alright, so I put everything in the pie, and now the city part about this is you have to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours to let it chill. Oh my goodness! 2 hours have passed and this thing is very chilly. It's not a very firm, it's still moussey. That is very delicious. Would I eat this again? Yes. Would I give this a 10 out of 10? Yes. Would I be carving out leisure time to eat this tomorrow? Absolutely. And always remember what the pumpkin said after Thanksgiving. Goodbye everyone. Are, ding ding ding. Thank you. Come again.